Hey, so done working out. We got that done. And look at the plethora. I got goods for you to make a home health or a home scalp treatment for you. I've got goods if you want to buy scalp treatments for you. But if you're feeling like, I feel like I should be a car salesman. If you feel like you have dandruff or you have a dry scalp and you need help from me, well, I got the goods for you. So stick around and we'll take care of you. Okay, we're gonna roll these out. So I wanted to bring some things for you that's gonna give you some scalp treatment. So today it's wash the hair day, so that's why I'm not clearly ready for the day. Because it's wash the hair day where I wanna give it a scalp treatment. It's been probably a month since I have done any type of a scalp treatment. And you wanna do something, especially if you ever have buildup, if you're someone that's putting a lot of skincare on your scalp, or if you are, the seasons are changing, hello, going on right now, or if you're having environmental changes, you might have moved, or the heater has now kicked off and the AC is now kicked on. There's things that the body's going through, or even change in vitamins. So I have for you some things that I love to do on my hair. This one is almost gone. So this one right here is a purifying scrub that has these salt pieces in it, big salt flakes in it. This product, these ones that I'm gonna show you are from Launch because they really are doing such a good job at mastering scalp treatments for everyone. My very favorite product though, that I use this on my son because he, holy crap, this kid uses so much hair product on his hair that by the time I cut his hair again, he is loaded with a dry scalp from using too much product. So I put this on him. The littlest amount goes a long way. It is for hair, scalp, and body, but don't use it on a baby because it has peppermint oil in it. It's soybean, sweet almond, and peppermint oil. And I just rub this into his scalp. So I'll just go down it in sections and I'll just let it sit there and let it do its thing. And then, oh, this stuff works so good. The other thing that they have is the Detox Deep Cleansing Shampoo, and this has vinegar in it, or apple cider vinegar. It has aloe vera, and look, let me see if it has this one other ingredient. Well, if it's in English, I don't see it. But I have a home version. If you happen, I have an aloe vera plant, so I can just whip this up right here, or you can use this. But let me wash this off my finger. I feel like I can't do my job right because I'm just sitting here with aloe vera on my finger. Okay, so we want to take these and we want to create a really good concoction for your scalp and give you that little scalp therapy session for yourself at home or store-bought products for scalp treatments. Now, Launch just started carrying this one. I have not used it. I was actually so stoked to buy it. This one is a clay mask that you can use. Again, never tried it, but I'm insanely intrigued. So it's got that, oh man, so good. So after you have shampooed your hair, you're gonna place this on your hair for 3 to 5 minutes and let it do its thing. Let's see what it's got in it. It can be used 1 to 2 times per week, which I wouldn't do this apple cider vinegar stuff 1 to 2 times per week. I'd go a little bit less because it is stripping that stuff out of your hair. It's designed to rebalance hair and scalp. Moroccan lava and bentonite clays draws out impurities and super essential minerals which help restore hair's natural texture. Coconut alkalines and pineapple extract hydrate and smooth without adding buildup or weighing hair down. So when we use these things that have this apple cider vinegar in it, you notice that we've got an oil as a replacement. But if you are using any type of removal, you can even just put apple cider vinegar on your hair. You want to make sure that you're going in with a deep conditioner after as well, and Launch has an incredible one. Now I am an affiliate for Launch only because I was in need of hair tools and I researched like all these different hair tools. I bought a flat iron for $200 thinking it was gonna be so good, and it sucked so bad. That's when I found Launch, and the rest is history. That's when I decided to become an affiliate too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you really quickly things that you can do The first one that we have, this is a yogurt. Yogurts have the probiotics in them, and we're wanting to add things that are going to help break up any inflammation that we might have from dandruff or from a dry scalp, itchy, irritation. So we have egg whites right here. We have, that I'll throw this in here. We have olive oil that I'll throw this in here. And I'll put in the comment box below kind of how I mix this up. You're just gonna continue to mix this up as good as you can, because we all know that you're mixing an oil in with it. And then when you get it in your hair, you're gonna wanna go in with sections and a hair tie and go in sections with it. This next one, we're taking a banana, and we're gonna, this one I'd probably go in with a mixer or mash the banana. Some oil. So the banana is nourishing, it's moisturizing, and when you do this, it can help out with dry scalp and dandruff, and then it can help add that moisture into the scalp with what we need, especially because we put the oil into it. All right, we got our olive oil right here, or sorry, we have our aloe vera. This is like an antiseptic. It's gonna help heal the scalp as well. And it's also going to, if you have dandruff, dry scalp, anything like that, it's an anti-inflammatory. Then we have our apple cider vinegar. So that one is going to strip out any of the extras, the extra buildup, anything that it has an issue with. It's an antimicrobial, so it's going to rid any of the bad bacteria out of your hair. And then we have the tea tree oil. It's an antibiotic type antifungal that is also going to rid that. And one thing that's really cool when you use tea tree, you just want to use a couple drops, is anytime you're dealing with an area, like if you live in an area that gets head lice a lot, lice hates tea tree oil. And so that's another way to help keep that at bay. I know I've lived in an area before that lice were just everywhere, and that helps take care of that. Ready to rock this out? Check this out too. So this is the yogurt, the egg, and the oil. You know how they wouldn't mix together before? As it has sat, look at that magic. So good, I'd eat it. No, I wouldn't. JK. Okay, we're gonna put this in our hair. These type of things that are already pre-done, so again, this is just gonna be put later on down the line. These all say how long to leave them on. 1 to 2 minutes for this, wash your hair with this, then I'll let it sit. This says how long to keep it on too, 3 to 5 minutes. And this, 3 to 5 minutes. These, you're gonna do about 10 minutes for all of these bad boys. So what I would do, this is definitely very helpful. You can get these at Sally's, wherever you want. You're going to, the easiest thing is to start from the bottom, and you are then going to, I wanna put all of them in my hair, so maybe rotate and see which one you like better. But I'm gonna go in with, I'm actually gonna do this one on the top of my head, this olive oil one, because it's runny for this video's sake, because I'm not in the shower. I'll do this one. So I'm gonna go with one that is a little less runny for this. But this is the tea tree one. So go based off of kind of what you have going on too. The tea tree one can be super helpful for when you're dealing with that dandruff, dry scalp, itchiness. A lot of itchiness is going on. Use ones like this, okay? The aloe vera, the vinegar, and that all have amazing things to help you in it. So I'm gonna put the yogurt one and the egg all through. So I'd go through, this is gonna be weird because I'm not in my shower. When you're in your shower, you don't care if you make a mess. Right now, I kinda do. So I'm gonna put this like so in my hair. Oh my gosh, we're getting messy. And I'm just gonna work my way around and use that end to take care of that. And then when you're done, to get it into that 10 minutes, just go shave your legs first in the shower or chill. Because today is all about you, right? A little self-care. Self-care Sunday. Okay, and we're just gonna go through. Why am I doing that? I just put, I put this in there instead of this. It's a day. It's a day, I tell you what. Boy, I tell you what. Oh my gosh, I just sprung that all over the kitchen floor. Okay, this is going to continue on, and I'm actually gonna switch. Oh, it's going down my neck. This is why it's good to do this naked, not on YouTube. You're welcome that I'm not naked. Okay, and then we come around here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in, use a hair clip too, not a cute one of these. I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna do the banana, and then I'm gonna go shower, okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna continue on. Just do it. You'll thank me later. So remember that these all have different properties. So this one is more to add the moisture, right? Some of the other ones are more of like an antiseptic and an anti-inflammatory. So just get, and I will write all of this down in the post info below. I'll put what I used and I'll put what it does better for, so that you don't lose track of it throughout the video, because we know how videos get. And if you want to subscribe to more of my craziness, because you never do know what's happening and coming for me, then subscribe. And then ring the bell so that you know when I go live with my videos, which are on Mondays at random times. So ring the bell so you know what to expect. Or so that you, because you don't know what to expect when that video goes live. We'll just continue this around. And this banana one, because it's all about moisture, you can add it to your ends as well. What up? Oh my gosh, the things we do for YouTube tutorials. Oh shoot. Okay, then I'm just gonna, I wish I could eat this, but I'm not. I'm just gonna take the leftover, and this is the weirdest tutorial, but I really do want to get it through those ends as well, because it does have that oil, and it has the oil, and I truthfully, again, don't do this outside of your shower, but it has the oil and it has the banana and it adds that moisture to everything. And this is an amazing scrub. So the point of this, right, is to get it into the scalp. So we're gonna add this all in there. Oh heavens. Did I tell you to do this in the shower yet? I wasn't kidding. And I'm even trying to be careful. Oh my gosh. This is disgusting, but it's so good. And bag it if you want to not get this all over. Again, you should be naked. Oh my gosh, you can just feel it. Like just slimy things running down my neck. I'm not okay with that. Oh my word. It's a good thing I'm washing my hair today. Yep. Okay, and then on the sides, because sides actually get quite a bit of buildup. Oh, do I look like Charlize? Everybody says I look like Charlize Theron. You know that hairstyle where she slicks her hair all back? Do I look like her now? No. She pulls this off well. Okay, and that's that. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of peppermint oil to this just because I want to. Peppermint is also very helpful. That little form of antiseptic as well. Okay, onto the scalp. I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna go shower it off. So I'm gonna end this video. If you like what you see here, if you want more key tips and tricks, you can always use something that's more store-bought, or you can make yourself a scalp treatment that is from home. But if you want more from me, always go to Instagram, Jocelyn.McClellan, where I go live there more often. I share tips and tricks from there. Say that you found me on YouTube, go over there and say hi, and I will do my best to say hi back. I really try to answer every single message. Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan's on Facebook, where I go live on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And you're set. Ring that bell. Thing just chimed. It's time for me to get in the shower. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.